go around them. Now they're going in the middle of the road. Now there's a car coming from the other way. This is our fourth time coming up to Northern Finland. I don't want to say Lapland because we're not exactly in Lapland. It's not that far away. But Lapland is where you'll see the reindeer. The last time we were in Lapland was a year or two ago, I suppose, maybe 2 years ago. But we had to go out looking for reindeer, and we couldn't find them. We finally did find them when we were going to a restaurant to get dinner, and I'm going to put a little video right up here so you can see what we found. And that was just about when we were ready to leave, and it's all we saw. Very few reindeer. This time we must have seen between 150 and 200 reindeer. It's just crazy how many there are out. I don't know if it's because of the weather. I just don't know. Maybe the time of year. I don't know. A lot of the reindeers have babies with them now. They're not young babies. They've been around for a couple months. But maybe it's just the time of the year. All I can tell you is there be reindeer here. If you know why so many reindeer are out and about right now, it's the end of July. If you have an idea of why so many reindeer are being seen right now, leave a comment below. Let me know. Tell me, why so many reindeer? See, look at the babies. There's at least 2 babies in the group.
There's a car behind us.
Well, they can't go any faster than we are. They really don't care. restaurant here. I'm looking at the name. It's called Kuksa. And we're in a small village type area, I guess, called Ruka. And we came here because I'm going to order the traditional reindeer meal that is served in Finland. If you ever visit Finland, you must order this meal. It's basically reindeer meat and mashed potatoes, and it's served with lingonberry. But it's the traditional way to eat reindeer in Finland. So if you come, make sure to order it. This is the traditional reindeer meal that I was talking about, and it's basically a chipped reindeer meat and set in a bed of mashed potatoes with the lingonberry, and it looks like they gave us a couple pickles with this too. I wanted to say a little bit more about how the reindeer is prepared for this traditional dish. And so I went to trusty Wikipedia, and it says here that it's usually the steak or the back of the reindeer that is used for the meat, and it's sliced thinly, and they normally do the slicing while it's still frozen so that they can get those chip sizes that they need. Then it's fried in fat, traditionally reindeer fat. But nowadays they're using more butter and oil instead of the reindeer fat. It was probably much better with the reindeer fat. And then it's spiced with black pepper and salt. And then they either add water, cream, or even beer when cooking it. And so they cook it until it's tender in either water, cream, or beer. And like you saw, mashed potatoes, lingonberry. In Finland, they add the pickles, and there you have your traditional reindeer meal. In Lapland, you'll find this all over the place. This is called lichen, if you've never seen it before. And it grows like Spanish moss from trees. It doesn't flower. It doesn't have a root system. It just is. But the thing about lichen is that it is the reindeer's favorite food. You can always find a reindeer where you can find lichen.